you have more likes rather than followers, let me tell you why. However, if you watch this whole video or even watch some of it and you don't follow me, you're a part of the reason, and just keep it going, cool. Just keep it going, okay? So y'all, the reason why is because real recognize real, baby, and fake cannot recognize the real, okay? So not only will these people like your stuff, comment, say, they will actually follow you, but if they not real, they can't recognize real, baby, so they keep scrolling. They may give you a little like, a little comment, a little save even, but they're not gonna follow you because they fake, okay?